Hi, another couple of top tips for you today. Hi, I'm Jan Oakbridge. I'm the Cruise Queen. Couple of things that I've mentioned once or twice in different videos. One of the things that I think is really invaluable is my little bum bag. The Americans call them fanny packs, but my bum bag, I find it's ideal because I do not want to be. Let me stand up and I can show you how it goes around your waist like that. I don't want to be carrying a handbag around. I like to have my hands free and I don't want strap marks on my shoulders, so I have that. They've got lots of pockets in, zipped up. You've got a place at the back. I normally have my card or my cash at the back there, so it's right against my body so no one can get that. And then I've got space for my phone, for my tissues, for a pen just in case, anything else that I might need. In fact, I can carry just about anything in these bags. I've got a black one which is actually even more spacious than this one, but they're really ideal. You can pick them up on a market for like $5 or €5 or whatever, £5. They're very, very cheap, but they are very, very useful. I would never walk off a ship without wearing one of these because they really do save you a lot of hassle. You can carry stuff when it's not heavy, it's not dragging you down, but also you know that everything is safe because it's against your body. It's a lot harder for someone to come and steal one of these from you than carrying a handbag. On the last or not necessarily the last cruise, a couple of cruises ago, we'd gone into Barcelona and my husband bumped into somebody in the gents, as you do, and he had a plaster cast on his arm, and my husband said to him, what have you done to your arm? He said, because he'd seen him earlier and he hadn't had it on a couple of days before. He said, walking along Las Ramblas in Barcelona, and this guy grabbed my wife's handbag off her shoulder, just grabbed it. He said, I chased after him and punched him and broke my hand. So he said the police arrested him, so she got her handbag back. But he said, I just didn't think, I just punched him to get the bag back and broke his hand. So you don't really want to have to do that. First of all, you don't want a white patch, and the rest of you tanned from having your hand in a cast. And secondly, you don't want the hassle of having to go to the police station, all that rubbish, when somebody steals from you. But you don't want the trauma of it either. So ladies, a bum bag, ideal for you. Now, while I'm on the subject of something being ideal, I did a video some while ago about magnetic hooks in the cabin. But I've also come across, and the magnetic hooks are a godsend. I use them all the time. I even use them at home, actually. I've got them on my shoe rack holding my belts up. But I discovered magnetic clips, and you get them in a little pot like this from Amazon, and they are, they're actually clips, because one thing that happens in your cabin is you are always getting bits of paper. You get every day you're going to get the bulletin. Every night you come in, you get the bulletin. Inside the bulletin, there's usually another bit of paper telling you about something or other. You get invitation cards, and some invitations you have to take with you. So these little magnetic clips are exactly that. They're like little bulldog clips on a magnet. You just stick it onto the wall, and you can have your different things hanging up. Anything paper or anything that you need to keep a clip on, actually. Anything you like. And that's quite a novel idea. Now that's a little idea. What an idea. I just thought I'd try it by showing you the little lid. That's done it beautifully. And if you hung that like that, you could put earrings or something in there so that you know where they are. I am going to use that. That has just come to me while I've been on this video. It's genius. What a great idea. You can have little pot lids and that's all that is, the pot lid from the pot that the magnetic clips came in, and you can just have a little container, and that's quite safe actually, with some little earrings in. That'd be quite useful. So there you go, ideas popping up as you do it. So bum bag and magnetic clips will help you. A couple of little tips to just give you some inspiration as to what to do. I'm going to go away and think about some more things I can use those little magnetic clips for. Bulldog clips, what a great idea. If this has been helpful to you, it might have even sparked some ideas in your head of what you can use things for. Hit the subscribe button, like it, and the notification bell. I'm Jan Obridge, I'm the Cruise Queen. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.